mic was turned off. Well, basically, you had DAX position scaled out. Interesting zone to be catching longs on the DAX, but that's for a scalp. That would be just for a scalp. I just bought the DAX here. Let's see. Let's see if they're gonna wick it. What they're gonna do. Really tight stop loss on this one. Somewhere around here. Could actually be looking to move it. Because this is the bounce. Yeah, moving that stop loss even tighter. Let's see. My risk was around 1500, so that's what I should be looking to take out profit. If we manage to see some. There is obviously some interest around this level. Maybe I should have stayed with my original stop loss around here. But let's stick to the smaller one. Yeah. Then another interesting zone would be right here at the lows. And they could still bounce from here. Do I want to get into these longs there? Reduced size. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in with reduced size. Stop loss. 1401. I'll move that stop loss now. They're not doing it. I guess. I guess they're not doing it. I guess that's just a trap. So in that scenario, let's take a smaller hit. And maybe be looking for shorts. I'll have a buy order over here and stop loss at 380. I think that's okay. If we're gonna get there. Now, do I want to be a buyer? Not really. Feels a little bit too late. Could be interesting with one contract. Yeah, could be interesting with one contract. I'm going short. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna go. I'm deleting the buy order here and having that stop loss to 1416. Let's hope they're not coming back to these wicks. I could have a tighter stop loss. That's a scalp again, right? Yeah, they're not. Well, should stay on the sidelines a little bit if I get stopped out now. Should be looking to get out if that's a scalp, right? And it is a scalp. I should be looking to get out or move that stop loss to break even. Ugh. Stopped out. Okay, let's wait a little bit. It feels likely they are in the range. I'm not a fan of this DAX's price action. Not a fan. Are they gonna wiki here and come back up? Or that's the start of the move to the downside? Should I be looking to trade the breakout? Well, we are in the range, right? First 15-minute candle close is on the way. Let's wait it out. I do want to short it, but I need more. Yeah, I'm shorting it, fuck it. I'll have that stop loss at 21420. But they are in the range. Let's see if they can make it happen. It is pretty tight. Mm. Do I want to flip the switch on this one? That's a little bit annoying. And now I'm stopped out, and now they're gonna reverse it, right? That's the range, and that's a really tight range. I'm not a fan of those. That was a pretty good zone to short, right around that high. Do I want to get into these shorts again? Give them another try. I could still do see it going down. Let me give it another try. I just gave them another try to these shorts. I got in a little bit too late. But I'll move that stop loss. Not even move the stop loss. I should be looking to get out now. And maybe go long. I'm out. And I'm going long. I'm gonna regret this probably. I'm just in and out of these positions. But let's see. Yeah. Now I feel a little bit more comfortable. Maybe even adding to this position seems like an option. I would like to add to this position, but the mistake I'm doing right here is just in and out of these positions, trying to make a quick buck, which is not working out. Because the price is in the range, pretty nasty one. Let's hope they can continue making higher highs and breaking the highs. What's the point for them to come back to this level if they're not gonna release the liquidity and go down? It would make sense for them to keep on going right now. I'm gonna have that stop loss right here. Really tight stop loss. I'm adding to this position. Might regret this, but let's see. Yeah, fuck. Not a fan of this price action. Not a fan of this one. 10 more seconds. That's a little bit too tight of a stop loss for the add-on. But let's hope they're gonna keep on going. I could have that stop loss to break even actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, stop loss at break even on the first position. Let's not take that unnecessary risk. If they're gonna go, that's what I'm seeing. They should be going. Now we can stop here. Not stopping here. Like stopping, yeah, okay, but not wicking the highs. They should move. And they might. Okay, that's nice. That's something. Around design, I would be looking to take out profit. Let's see if they can get there. Stop loss, absolutely a break even. I guess I could. That's nice. Come on. Come on, Dax. Come on, Dax. Can't stop here. Come on. Come on. They have to move. I'm not liking this one. I should get out probably. Come on. That's the high. I should be looking to get out. And that's the scalp, so I'm about to get out. It's just trying to break it out. I'm not out just yet. What I'm looking for. I'm looking to get out. I'm out. Yep. Nice, right? Added to winning position. Took out at the highs. Was dipping dabbling. Getting out, getting in, out of the positions. It was looking like it's gonna go up. Now we could be looking for shorts. So that was a good exit, right? That was really fucking good exit. Really fucking good exit. Or maybe we should maybe we should wait for our statistical edge to come in play. So that was the line I marked off where I was looking for shorts. It just played out really nicely. I mean, yeah, the longs were nicer, but that would be a quick, nice scalp. You know, it would be 16 points in profit in a few minutes. It would have been nice. Nice as short. And I'm happy that I took out the longs right at the top. Really fucking clean position. Despite that we were going in and going out of out of the positions. Okay, so strategy will come in play in around 1 minute. I'm just not sure what to do. I probably would like to do the opposite of the strategy because it would be a breakout off of this high, for example. But I would have a tight stop loss. So let's see. I might want to take longs actually, but we are in a trading range. Might want to be a seller up here. I might want to be a seller. They would have a lot of liquidity to eat up, but they would need to push it up right now and then retrace back to 410, somewhere around 410. I mean, longs below this candle would make sense. It would most definitely make sense. But the narrative I have is that the DAX is going down. So, but we are in the range, and small moves could occur, and the fact that my nature of trading is a scalper, so maybe maybe I should do the opposite. Oh, look at that FTSE. Buying the DAX right here. That would have been a juicy entry on a FTSE right here. The fact that the DAX is awakening, going down lower, suggests to me that I might need to take a short, just based off of their behavior. But then again, we are in the range. We are in the range. Buy right here, stop loss around 80. I could live with that. Now I'm thinking, what should I do? What should I do? It would make a lot of sense to be a buyer up here. As I said, the sentiment is to the downside, maybe. Shorts down here and then stop loss above the range. Or maybe I should wait it out. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen. How they're gonna react to this low. What's gonna be the reaction? They could just rip it down, right? Why not? Why can't they just... Oh, that's the trigger. No, that's the trigger. I'm on a short. I'm in shorts. I'm in DAX shorts. Yeah, that's a little bit too late, but they're ripping it, so let's see if they can keep on doing that. That's a bounce. That's a fucking bounce. Come on. Come on, DAX. Come on, DAX. As I said, narrative is to the downside, but that's a huge ass bounce. That's a good zone. We are at the lows. To 1,460. It's gonna be my stop loss. Basically risking today's profits. I mean, as long as they continue going down, I'm a happy man. I'm gonna buy the FTSE here. I just bought the FTSE. Looks like an interesting zone to be a buyer of a FTSE, right? But how big the stop loss is gonna be? I mean, I can change it. DAX is trying to bounce, right? 5 more minutes until the close. I need a good close in the next 5 minutes. I think I won't get it. I won't let the FTSE go all the way down back to here. I'm not gonna let it happen. If it looks like it's gonna do that. Like, yeah, that's some sort of a double top on the FTSE, but let's see. When you look at the DAX from 1 minute perspective, the bounce kind of occurred already. The bounce kind of happened already, but they could bounce a little bit higher. Well, we can speculate as much as we want. We just have to. Just have to. Just have to wait and see. I'll just have to wait and see. We did see like 17 points in profit, which would suggest a stop loss around break even or reducing the risk up to here maybe. We'll see. Do I want to add to this DAX? Do I? The FTSE's not looking that good, right? Let's just hope we read this correctly. And of course, this DAX needs to move. And of course, this DAX needs to move. I might want to add. Might want to add to this DAX. I'm in some sort of a hedging position, right? Where the FTSE looks stronger and the DAX looks weaker. But I think it's gonna bounce. I think DAX might bounce. Like 1 more minute left until 15-minute candle closes, 5-minute candle closes. It just feels like they might want to have a bounce. But how big the bounce is gonna be, right? That's the question I'm having. How big the bounce is gonna be. Or are they even gonna have a bounce? Well, I think the right question is how big of the bounce they're gonna get. We're gonna get. Are they just gonna shoot up and then be done with these lows? Or we're going down? I mean, if this is a double bottom, it's a nasty one. Not the nicest double bottom. Not the nicest W formation. So 5-minute candle just closed. Let's see, are they gonna rip it? I mean, they're gonna bounce from these lows. That's pretty obvious. Don't know how to feel about it. Yeah, my stop loss is above the range and I should feel pretty safe. But I'm not liking it too much. So they're trying to shoot up. but not enough volume. Might recover this candle and then retrace back down. And that will move that stop loss probably down to here somewhere. But that's a pretty obvious one. A little bit higher maybe. I'm thinking they're gonna reject this level up here. But they made a double bottom at the lows. I mean, pretty nasty one, still W formation. It would make a lot of sense for them to stop around this level. But the fact that they're moving in the range, I should be scared. Probably. I should be looking to get out. Just because they are in the range, when you look at it, and they are gonna clear out these highs, and I don't need to have that stop loss right there. Or I need to be cautious, right? And then be looking where should I be out. So FTSE's holding in the way, right? They should move. They should be trying to make a move. And then the DAX, I think that's the zone. That's the interesting zone. I might just end the session here or in a few minutes and just see how it's gonna play out. The fact that I don't like about DAX is that we're short at the lows of the range. We are in the shorts at the lows by my reverse. I just don't like this double bottom. Not at all. This would be kind of zone where they should be looking to reverse. So none of these positions are working out as of right now. Let me stick with that 60 stop loss and maybe end the live stream. We'll see. It just feels a lot safer to have that stop loss up here because of the fact that I think they're gonna go down. When you have that stop loss up here, it just makes a lot more sense. Of course, if we get stopped out, that's not nice. So DAX kind of hit our zone in a way. Not to the T, but Let's just hope they're not gonna run up. We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. I feel pretty safe with that stop loss. Above those highs, they wouldn't need to make a bigger double bottom before moving up to these levels. So because of that, I feel safer. They're trying to wick these highs. Do I want to enter another short here? One contract. I guess I don't. I guess I don't wanna enter the shorts again. I kind of hit the zone perfectly now. Yeah, fuck. This looks okay. Maybe open 5 to add to the shorts, but that would not make a difference. Like a whole lot. And I'm not that convinced to be going short. Either way, it's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet morning. I'm not gonna add. I'm not gonna add to these shorts. Feels a little bit too late. My zone kinda did get filled. Maybe I wanna scratch these positions. Because we bought the FTSE at the top of the range and shorted the DAX at the low of the range. And none of them are working out. Yeah, DAX on a 30-minute chart looks really fucking bad. I think I should be looking to scratch this position. Or have a lot tighter stop loss. Because we're coming back to this trading range. They're trying to move up here. So probably longs was the right choice. That's the zone hit. It just hit that zone. What's gonna happen now? Now they should be reversing. because that was the main part of this move to the downside. I'm gonna add one contract and have a tighter stop loss. I mean, I might just treat it as a scalp, actually. Treat it as a different position, but either way, add it to these shorts. But they have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have that stop loss pretty tight. I mean, a little bit higher, but still a pretty tight one. That was just the one contract, and if they're gonna move, it's gonna add up. Also, I would like to add to this position if we start breaking down even more. But first of all, that needs to happen. Like if they're going down, they should be going down from around this level. If the move is sharp, if the move is legit, which doesn't look like it as of right now, but let's see. Like a little bit bigger stop loss could be an option. We don't really need it, just a little bit. Okay, DAX, you need to be pushing down now. Like for real. It's your time to shine. But it's just so fucking boring. It's not moving. It's not moving. I think I'm gonna end the session here. Leave these positions. Probably manage them on Discord. Footsie's not working out, obviously. Yeah, and DAX finally. I'm not liking that footsie. I don't really want to stay in this footsie no more. Doesn't feel right. And adding to the DAX looks like an option. Now they're finally having some momentum. Feels like they want to reverse all of this candle. All of it. Hmm. Maybe I should be looking to get out of this footsie. Maybe I should be looking to get out. I'm out of this footsie. I just closed my footsie. I'm out. I'm out of the footsie. On index shorts. And if they do reverse right now, or at least I should have just moved the stop loss, not close it. And the DAX is trying to bounce. Let's see, he's bouncing too. We'll took it out. DAX showing some decent amount of volume. Do I want to close it? And I closed the FTSE. Now is the chance for the DAX to break down lower. It's not looking good. It's not looking that good. Yeah. Now was there a chance they ripped it up. Shit. Shit. That's really nasty range on a DAX. I'm afraid I'll have to scratch it. There's some decent amount of volume coming in. Decent amount of volume. What the fuck DAX is doing? They're going up, right? Like if they're gonna shoot up to the upside on a DAX, I'm pissed. I might want to add to this DAX actually. I might want to add. But they need to get the fuck out of this range. They need to get the fuck out of this range. They are not doing it. Decent amount of volume coming in DAX. Do I want to move that stop loss? Maybe I should have stayed in the FTSE. And I want to get out of this DAX. Call it a morning. Because right now it's looking like they're going up. Yeah, I'm stopped out of one position. And the FTSE's going up. That's good news for the DAX to go up. This at this very moment. I'm gonna stay in this position probably. I should have stayed in the FTSE. Alright. Should have fucking stayed in the FTSE. But just didn't feel like it was gonna be a proper trending day. And the DAX is that would have been a juicy buy. 13-minute. It's not looking good. They're going up. DAX is going up. I really don't want to risk that much. Maybe I should have been already out, but whatever. Look at them go. Maybe entertain the idea of footsie longs. 10 contracts. But I want a little bit better price on the footsie. So we are halfway being stopped out on a DAX. Are they gonna reverse it? Doubt it. Look at the move. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna probably end the live stream right here. These positions open. And that's me done. We'll see how it's gonna play out. Peace out.